Good morning to everyone. In this module video we are going to discuss about multiplayer online gaming. As we are all familiar with online gaming in different perspective, in this module we are going to discuss about the cloud platform in industry. Under the topic we are going to deal with the concept of multiplayer online gaming. First, before going in depth about multiplayer online gaming, we have to know about the basic definition of the multiplayer online gaming. This is the multiplayer video game which can be played via a game server over the internet with other players around the world. Nowadays there are so much of online games are available. Recently due to some suicide or some other things, the government of India has banned everything, provided which may also induce the youngster to do some unwanted things. So based on that they may get self-depressed and they may commit suicide, and so much of harmful events create to the society. So how all those things are happening here is their device will be connected with the network, and those who are all come on online can share their ideas to play the particular game. So this technology or mechanism for connecting players together rather than a particular pattern or gameplay. So which means that the main objective of this online gaming is connecting more than one player together to share their ideas to play the game successfully. So online games are played over some form of computer network, typically on the internet. Through internet only they can play the game. So I think most of them have known about the recent online gaming which is currently going on in this world, and this is not advisable basically. So playing online game is increasing popularity, especially among the young generation, because of the advantages of that it offers. Advantages of online gaming is the online games is the ability to connect multiplayer games, although single player online games are quite common as well. Yeah, nowadays sometimes we may use very boring, so at that time we will go for a Play Store to download any sort of games and lonely we will play. We need not have to have any partner or any competitor to join with us. Being a solitude person, we can play the game for our quibble. Whenever we get boring, we can download all sort of games, a single user game from the net, then we will play. And also the player online games are quite common as well, which means that we need not have to pay any amount to play in the online game. If there is any competitor, then we must have to pay certain amount, or once if anyone gets success, then others has to pay certain amount. Likewise it will be happen, but single person also can play the online game through internet. For that you need not have to pay any amount for that. Online games is that a great percentage of game don't require any payment. Means that, as I said before, through Play Store, if we download any particular application for play the game, we need not, being a single user, we need not have to pay any amount for the game playing. In other cases, if there is any competitor, then it might go to worsening situation. Online game is worth nothing is the availability of wide variety of games for all type of game players. Whoever needs, they need to join through the internet with the game player server. Then they can access all the game player server by using either their credentials. Then later on they can download on their own devices to play the games. Online multiplayer gaming attracts millions of gamers around the world that share a common experience by playing together on a virtual environment that extends beyond the boundaries of a normal LAN. Means that it need not be within the local area network, even wide area network. We can play any sort of online games even with foreign countries also. Sometimes if our relatives are located in foreign abroads, we want to spend certain time with them for playing games. We have to ask them to connect with the internet. We both have to join through the internet with a particular game playing server. Then we have to access everything to share the common platform to play the game in a successful way. Online games support hundreds of players in the same session, and this made possible by the specific architecture used to forward interactions that is based on game log processing. Means that at a time it need not be 1, 2, 3, even it ranges from 1 to 100. 100 number of participants can join the game at a time to play any sort of games. So the players update the game server, hosting the game session, and the server integrates all the updates into the log that's made available to all the players through the TCP protocol. Means that if any among the game player, if anyone knows about any new gameplay, the particular person can host its services, can host the role of the game on the internet. That is, it will be available on the cloud which is spread over the globe. So whoever in this world can have a rights to access all those things. So the TCP client software used for game connects to the log port, and by reading the log updates, the local user can interface with other actions of the other players. Means that in order to have an access over the particular game, something we need to have give our credentials, so to have an access over on it. Then online multiplayer games attracts millions of gamers. So these things we have discussed now. Online gamers, hundreds of players in the same session, this made possible, and this client software used for connecting everything. Then disadvantages of online gaming. It can even tell lies to their parents or pay to have more time in the internet shops. Means that nowadays the students may not focusing on their studies or anything related to their academics. Instead that they used to play online games by paying more attention. Instead of other activities, they are doing more attention for playing online games. So due to that, sometimes, as I said, that it will take time consuming from morning to throughout the day and until going to their bed. Somebody is keep on watching online games, what's going on, what is the recent trends, what's the recent games are hosted, all those things, informations are listening by the youngsters. So due to this, they are wasting their time. And expensive means we need to pay certain amount to have an access over the online game. So cost also will be wasted, amount also will be waste. Lack of communication and family interaction, it's a common one. So if you pay more attention, nowadays youngsters are paying more attention with their online. So due to that, they may not have an interaction with their family members. So continuously if they are focusing on the machine, they may not have a flexibility. So due to that, they may get frustrated, and also they cannot take any decision by their own. If being a human, we should have to communicate with our relatives or friends, family members, parents, then only we can inculcate, we can get good ideas from them, we can imbibe all sort of good things from them to uplift our lifestyle. But instead that, nowadays the youngsters are paying more attention through the net, so they are wasting their energy, time, academics, their entire career also. So this is a best advice, not to pay more attention for the video games, that is online games. So this is all about multi-layer online gaming, which is on the cloud environment. Here, what is the role of the cloud services here is, the online game player can host the role of the game, and also the host, he can host the entire game app anywhere in the cloud. Whoever having the internet connectivity can have an access from anywhere in this part of the world by paying certain amount, and they have to render their entire days, not only days, even months, weeks, everything. They are paying more attention to play the online games, and because of that we have seen certain disadvantages. I hope that according to my perspective, only disadvantages are more compared with the advantages. So best it's my humble suggestion to everyone, do not pay more concentrate on online games. Instead that, you can study some novels, articles, or self learning by paying more interest in reading books to grab good knowledge, and you can have acquire recent technological developments in the recent in the growing technology field. So online gaming is very, it creates more problem to the youngsters. This is all about online gaming. Thank you.